Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Listen and Understand English, and my name is Gregory Scott. So today, I'm excited. Today is the first intermediate video. Before, I made beginner videos. I talked slow, but in this video, I'm going to talk a little bit faster. Not beginner, not advanced, but intermediate. So really listen well, really watch well. I'll still add pictures. I'll add pictures to the video, but really listen and watch well, and your English will improve. You will understand. Okay? So, what am I going to talk about? What am I going to talk about today? Well, today I'm going to share a story. I'm going to tell a story. I'm going to tell you a story. It's a story about how my first love, she rejected me. It's a story about how my first love rejected me. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. So, this story happened when I was really young. So, I wasn't a teenager. I wasn't an adult. I was just a kid. I was a kid, and I think I was in fifth grade. So, my age at the time, I would have been 10 or 11 years old. So I was little. But even though I was little, I still had feelings. I still had emotions. So there was this girl that I really liked. I really liked her. So her name, I'm just gonna say it. Her name was Olivia. She was this white girl that was in my class. And I really liked her. When I looked at her, I thought she was beautiful. And remember, I'm only 10 or 11 years old, okay? But I thought she was so beautiful. She was really smart. So I liked her a lot. But in fifth grade, I was really shy. I was really timid. So I didn't talk a lot. I didn't talk to a lot of different people. And especially with Olivia. I liked her. I thought she was beautiful. I thought she was smart, but I never talked to her. I just looked at her and I was like, I like her. But one day, I decided that, okay, I like her. I'm going to talk to her. I'm going to do something nice for her. I want to make her my girlfriend. That's what I told myself when I was 10, 11 years old, that Olivia, she's going to be my girlfriend. That's what I wanted. So I'm just a little kid. I don't know anything about love. I don't know anything about relationships. I don't know anything. But I knew that I wanted to do something nice. I wanted to do something nice for Olivia. I wanted to make her happy. And if she's happy, then maybe she can be my girlfriend. That's what I thought at 10 years old or 11 years old. That if I do something nice, then she'll be my girlfriend. So one day I came home from school and I talked to my parents, my mom and my dad. I talked to my parents and I asked them, Mom, Dad, please, can we go to the store? Can we buy something from Walmart? I want to buy something for Olivia. I want to make her happy. My parents, at first, they were like, no, She's not your girlfriend. You don't have to buy her anything. But me, I was so passionate. I was so in love. So I was like, please, 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 can we buy something for Olivia? And I begged and I begged and I asked and I asked. And my parents were like, okay. My parents were so nice. They were so nice to me when I was 10 or 11 years old. Okay? So they said yes. We went to the store and I bought some things for Olivia. I bought some chocolates that you eat. I bought some flowers. And then the craziest thing, I bought a ring. I bought a ring for her, for this 10, 11-year-old girl. I'm 10 and I was 10 and 11, but that's just funny. A 10-year-old buying another 10-year-old a ring. But that's what I thought in my mind. So now I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I can't wait to go to school so that I can give Olivia her chocolates, her flowers, and her ring. I'm so excited. Olivia, she was in my class. So I had a plan. After school, after class, I was going to give her the ring. I was going to give her the ring, the chocolates, and the flowers after class. So it's a long school day. We had science and we had math, we had physical education, everything. Long school day. But finally it's over. Finally it's over and finally it's time. It's time to give Olivia her presents, her gift. But then something crazy happened. Right now, this probably seems like a nice story, a good story. But then something crazy happened. Something sad happened. It's the end of the day. School is over. We're all about to go home. I'm about to talk to Olivia. So I grab my flowers, I grab the chocolate, and I go to grab the ring, but I can't find it. I lost the ring, or somebody took the ring. I was so upset. I was so sad. I was so excited to give her the ring, to give her her gift, but it was gone. I looked everywhere. I looked in all the desks. I looked in my backpack. I looked in the other kids' backpacks, the other kids' desk, but I couldn't find it. I couldn't find the ring. So sad. The ring, it was really important to me. It was really important to a 10-year-old kid. I thought that if she gets this ring, she's gonna like me, she's going to love me forever. So I really wanted to give her the ring, but I lost it. I lost it, or somebody took it. So what happened next? Well, I gave her the chocolates, I gave her the flowers, but I didn't talk to her. I didn't say anything. I was too sad. So I gave her the chocolates, I gave her the flowers, but I didn't say anything. And the next day, I didn't say anything. The next day, I didn't say anything. And for the rest of the year, the rest of the school year, I never said anything. And Olivia, she didn't say anything either. We saw each other. We were in the same class, but we never said anything to each other. we were both just kids, so we didn't really understand what was happening, what was going on. I surely didn't, because what 10-year-old, what 11-year-old kid knows about love? But I remember all those years back that I really liked her. I really thought she was beautiful, but it's just a memory now. But I remember that she was really the first girl that I really liked. I really liked her. I wanted her to be my girlfriend. I wanted to marry her. I even wanted to marry her. But, you know, I was only 10 or 11 years old, so it doesn't really count. So that's it. That's the story. That's the story about how my first love rejected me. She didn't really reject me, right? But we never talked. We never said anything to each other, and she knew that I liked her, but, you know, who knows? Who knows? Olivia, if you're watching this video, maybe we can get a coffee or something. No, I'm just kidding. But that's the story. I hope you could understand well. I hope you listened well. This is an intermediate video, right? So I'm talking faster, but if you keep listening, if you keep watching, then you'll understand. Your brain will understand. Comprehensible input is the best. It's the best way to learn a language. So keep listening, keep watching, keep understanding, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.